Welcome back to SPON Academy. Today's lesson is about how to use the SPON Fire Alarm Unit NAC 5003. The Fire Alarm Unit NAC 5003 is mainly used for integration with third-party fire alarm systems. First, let's take a look at the interface of the Fire Alarm Unit. The Fire Alarm Unit NAC 5003 features a 1U design. A power switch button on the front panel allows for easy startup or shutdown. On the rear panel, a wide voltage input is available to adapt to the needs of any country. A network port allows access to the network. With 32 alarm input ports, a switch allows you to select the input mode. A manual button, smoke detector, or infrared probe can be connected as an alarm input device. With 8 alarm output ports, it can be connected to alarm lights or linked to third-party equipment. Next, we will learn about a typical application: automatic emergency broadcasting, triggered by a third-party fire alarm system. First, deploy the ICPAS platform and devices on the same network. When the fire alarm unit receives an alarm input signal from the third-party system, the preset task on the ICPAS platform will be triggered to play the alarm sound on the front-end speakers. Register the fire alarm unit and IP speakers on the ICPAS platform. Create a new task on the schedule page. Set the task name. Select the event as the trigger. Select alarm and as the trigger type. Select the fire alarm unit as the event terminal, because the fire alarm unit has 32 input ports. Here, you can input any port number as the trigger port. Select PA as the operation. Select file as the audio source. Add an audio file that has been pre-uploaded on the media page. Select the target zones or terminals. The task setup is complete. Connect the manual button to the corresponding ports on the fire alarm unit. When the manual button is pressed, the preset alarm task is triggered. At the same time, the speaker plays the audio associated with the task. In this video, we have learned how to use the Fire Alarm Unit NAC 5003, including interface introduction, typical application, and application demonstration. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website, www.sponcom.com. Thank you for watching.